Today in our Read Aloud, you heard Samuel explain to Jack that when rays of light waves hit an object, they can be transmitted, reflected, or absorbed. What do these terms mean? So if the light is absorbed, what does that mean? We'll start there. Haley.
It means like it takes the light in, and so the light can't pass it, and that's how it makes the shadow.
Fabulous. It takes the light in, the light can't pass through it, and it's what makes a shadow. We talk about light, what was the other one? Light reflects it. What does that mean if light is reflecting off of something? Alexa. You can see it, but you're going to see it lots of this, right? But it helps you see objects, right? Add to it.
It's like you can, like how light reflects off of mirrors. You can like see what's around you, or like it bounces off what it is, and then it shows.
Very good. I was reflecting you in my mirror here. It bounces. It's going to be bouncing off. It's that reflection. Most things that we're able to see because of reflection. Your desks, we talked about, do not emit light. They are not giving off light. What we see is we see light reflected off those objects, and that's how we are able to see it. And last but not least, we have transmitted. What does it mean to transmit? Cooper.
It means to pass through something where you can see.
Good. It's going to be passing through it. Very nice job with that. What causes light to reflect off of water and glass and other smooth and shiny surfaces? What's causing that light to reflect off of it? Turn and talk with your neighbor. Turn and talk, Ryder. Three, two, one. I hear a lot of people talking about examples of what's giving off light, but we want to be thinking about how light is reflecting off of things. What type of light, or what do we see coming from the sun? What are those things called?
Rays.
Those are going to be those rays. The rays of the lights, when they hit smooth surfaces, what happens? What's our word?
Angle.
Our angles. It angles off of it, and you can then create that clear reflection of it. So you can all see your beautiful faces with your clear reflection.
I can't.
You're beautiful. That's all that matters. Based on the information from the story that we've read so far, why do you think Samuel wants to visit the House of Mirrors? Some of you have been to a House of Mirrors before, right? Griffin had a traumatic experience there. So, House of Mirrors, why do you think that, kind of based on things that have built up in our story, they're going to go to the House of Mirrors? They're kind of giving us that preview. Claire, what do you think?
Maybe because they mirrors, and it's like kind of a part of the story.
Yeah, exactly. They're going to be mirrors in the House of Mirrors. Mirrors so far have been part of our story. How many of you have ever been to a House of Mirrors?
Yes.
There are mirrors everywhere. Are they just a bunch of normal mirrors?
No.
No, some of them are going to be what? Some have got the wavy mirrors. There are going to be different types of mirrors in there. And when you put a mirror in a mirror and you stand between them, you see the reflection repeated over and over and over again. So it's kind of crazy. House of Mirrors is pretty cool. So we're going to be learning about that. One of the things with those wavy mirrors, what are you going to notice about them? There. It's concave. Well, it depends on how you think of are moving, but convex, so concave going in. Doesn't matter. It's got that wave in it, right? Okay. In our read, so we're going to talk about those words, concave and convex. Everybody show me concave. Concave. Everybody show me convex. Convex. Fabulous. We heard Samuel say to Jack, Mr. Benson taught them about two types of mirrors that have curved surfaces instead of flat surfaces. We learned about concave and convex. Say the word concave with me. Concave. Say convex with me. Convex. If you're looking at something concave, it is bent or curved inwards. So if it is concave, it is bent or curved inwards. If you're looking at something that's convex, It's rounded and curved outwards. Every morning I pour my cereal into a concave cereal bowl when I eat my cereal. If I turn my bowl upside down, it's now facing convex. Very good. Concave.
Convex. Concave. Convex. Concave. Convex.
You bright humans. Let's see. If there's a dent in the door, it is.
Convex.
There is a dent in the door, so it's a dome. Looking at it from the outside, so we think of the desert dome at the Omaha Zoo. It is.
Convex.
Very good. The Roman Colosseums, looking down from in the Roman Colosseums, if we're standing in them and we're looking down into it, it is
Concave.
concave. Very good. A bowl looking into it.
Concave.
Concave. A bowl with it upside down.
Convex.
The rounded part of a light bulb.
Convex.
Convex. Very good.